In this video, I'll show you how to use credits in Airtable. Once you are on your Airtable account, in order for you to see the list of your credits, what you need to do is simply head over to the homepage. So this is exactly the homepage. You have airtable.com. On the left-hand side, if you click on the homepage, it will also be the same thing. You were just on the homepage. But once you were on your Airtable account, head over to the top bar. On the right-hand side, click on the small profile. This will be your account. Within your account, choose the first option, which is account, and that will open up a new tab and that will be your account. So at the bottom, as you can see, we have here our referral credits. So by default, we have 0 in referral credit, but you can get $10 in credit for every person that we invite. We can also get $2 in credit for installing the mobile app. So on the left-hand side, you will see the overview. You also have an option for referral credits. From here, you can simply copy your referral link, or what we can also do is invite via an email. Now, AI credits are also used by the collaborators that you work with. Now, for AI credits, these are applicable to the collaborators that uses your workspace. So this is by using AI. So if you have collaborators, they have specific AI credits when they want to generate the content using AI or access other AI-powered capabilities. So whenever you invite someone, you will automatically see the credits that are available. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.